If you are young, ambitious, and tired of being lied to about money, this is for you. Society wants you to accept an average life, a basic salary, and one cheap holiday a year. If you want more, they call you greedy. But what's really greedy is a system keeping you stuck at the bottom while the rich enjoy real freedom. Building real wealth while you're still young is a 5-stage process. Let's break it down. Stage 1, drifting. The first stage is drifting. This is the exact problem most young people face. Everyone tells you something different. Dropshipping, crypto, day trading. You get so overwhelmed by choices that you freeze if you don't pick a path because you're too scared of making a mistake. Life will pick it for you, and the system will make sure you stay broke. Drifters float through life, hoping they'll just strike it big. Remember, if you aren't building your own dream, someone else will hire you to build theirs. Nobody is waking up thinking about how to make you rich. Stage 2, obsession. To escape. Stage 1, you need to make a single choice. Stop being pushed around and become obsessed with getting rich. That is stage 2. Many young people claim they want to be rich, but they also want to learn an instrument, run a marathon, and master 3 languages at the same time. If your friend said he wants to be a professional footballer but stacks 12 other goals on top, you'd laugh at him. Becoming rich is hard enough. If you don't lock in and focus only on wealth in your early years, you will never make it. Stage 3, discovery. Stage 3 is discovery. You get paid in proportion to the value you provide. Like, if you aren't rich yet, it's because you lack value, but you don't need to be an innovator or invent the next revolutionary business. All you need to do is look at what is already working for others, find someone ahead of you, and uncover their proven pathway. Video editing, short form creation, copy pasting visual frameworks. Copying is a cheat code. It gives you a blueprint to skip their mistakes and progress twice as fast. Stage 4, acceleration and the lonely chapter. Once you have your pathway, stage 4 begins, acceleration. Put in the reps. Start that Shopify store or do free video editing just to get experience. Before you can be great, you must be willing to suck first. This stage brings you straight into your lonely chapter. You will feel disconnected from your childhood friends because they don't share your ambitions, but you aren't successful enough yet to connect with the people you look up to. This strange, lonely middle ground is where most people give up and slip back into being average. To survive the trenches, find an online community of people who are leveling up at the same time. Stage 5, freedom versus true wealth. If you push through the lonely chapter, you hit stage 5, freedom. You answer to no boss ever again, but being rich and being wealthy are two different things. Poor people spend money to impress other poor people. They buy flashy cars, designer gear, and look rich on paper. Wealthy people don't care. True wealth comes from taking your profits and reinvesting them straight back into yourself and compounding assets like index funds or new high-income skills. Whatever you blow today on meaningless crap, you are stealing from your future self. Stop drifting. Pick your pathway, embrace the lonely chapter, and buy your freedom. Subscribe to Rise Empire. Let's build.